Francis, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Asian Vision Dialogue. Our topic today will be talking about the artificial intelligence, or known as AI. We will be focusing on the current situation of AI in Cambodia, the advantages and concerns by using AI, and also how AI revolution will reshape the world. Today we are honored to have honorable guest speaker, Mr. Pongpich. He is currently pursuing dual master degree in public international law at Royal University of Law and Economics. Without further ado, please join me to welcome Mr. Pongpich. Greetings, Mr. Pongpich, and welcome to our Asian Vision Dialogue.
Yes, good afternoon, Mulea. Thank you for having me.
First of all, could you brief a bit what is artificial intelligence or AI, and currently how much do Cambodians understand about AI?
Yes, thank you for the question. To start with, I would like to define what artificial intelligence or AI is. Basically, artificial intelligence provides a computer program the ability to think and learn on its own. It is a stimulation of human intelligence into a machine to do things that we would normally rely on human. This technology marvels extend beyond most automation, incorporating a broad spectrum of AI skills, which is the ability that enable machine to understand, reason, learn, and interact in a human-like manner. In addition, AI also refers to the ability of a digital computer or computer control robot to perform tasks commonly associated with intelligent being. These tasks include visual perception, speech recognition, decision making, and translation between languages. Particularly, AI involves developing systems that it inhibits intellectual process similar to those of humans, such as reasoning, meaning, discovery, generalizations, and learning from past experience. And in the context of Cambodia, we can see that the use of AI is significantly increased because the use today, especially in education sector, we start using AI, especially helping with researching information and helping with writing thesis or some research paper. However, regarding this, I just would like to point out that even though AIs have us for researching information or writing a paper, but most importantly, we need a human verification to make sure that AI is working properly according to what we need.
Thank you, Mr. Pongpich. So, in this decade, AI technology is depending in almost every field and performing various tasks on behalf of humans. So, how can AI play a role in order to contribute to technology today?
Yeah, thank you for the second question. Basically, the AI intelligence, or we can call it AI technology, is shaping several aspects of life. With the help of this flexible tool, people can reconsider how we combine data, analyze it, and apply the new understanding to meet better decision making. Moreover, it has been implemented and adopted in business sectors for several purposes in manufacturing, healthcare, retail, banking, and public services. The rapid development of AI carry out key areas that need to be addressed in any future policies or law governing the use of AI, such as privacy and cybersecurity. In the context of Cambodia, this technology is not just about AI. It is about creating a digital framework within the existing infrastructure to implement its learning capacity with the work of information and communication technologies. A relevant legal framework on data and cybersecurity is also needed to be enforced to combat cybercrime and provide assurance to relevant businesses, practitioners, and consumers in the field. And more importantly, infrastructure is the keys, and there is also a basic technological foundation that Cambodia has been building for years that will be leverage to maximize the impact of AI.
Thank you, Mr. Peng. Linked to the above question, AI has shown the potential breakthrough in scientific research and brings new possibilities to various fields. However, meanwhile, the explosion of AI technology has also triggered a series of concerns. What are the advantages and challenges by using AI technology?
Yes, thank you for this question. Everything, not only AI, always has advantage and challenges alongside when we're using them. And some of the industry seen as the benefit from AI in Cambodia are the healthcare and education and finance. For healthcare, AI can be used to improve the accuracy and efficiencies of medical diagnosis and identify potential health risks and preventive measure. In addition, AI can be used in education in Cambodia to improve the quality and accessibility of education. And from this point, as I have pointed in the first question, is that nowadays most of students, especially university students, they use AI a lot, like ChatGPT or Microsoft Bing or other type of open AI to help them conducting their research or finding information for their homework or for their assignment. And in this point, it provides both advantage and disadvantage for them. For example, it is quick and easy to get information from ChatGPT, but what is the impact is that when you are not observe it carefully, those information that you take from those generations AI will be sometime biased or not qualified enough for your work or for your research as well. Last but not least, AI is one of the most essential technology in the world that is again changing in various sectors to improve productivity, efficiencies, and cost effectiveness. To enhance the trustworthy AI ecosystems, a country need to develop human-centered policy that promote social, economic, and responsible AI research and developments. These include policy that encourage investment in such initiative. This policy for AI development should take into account its national development vision as well as regional and global trend. The country objectives, reference, and overarching strategy for AI advancement in immediate and distant future should be clarified. Initially, the main object is to cultivate skill, personnel and employ AI solution to deal with critical national focus areas that will have a switch impact on Cambodia socio-economic status. And over time, the priority should change to developing fundamental and advanced research, promoting high-level AI research and innovation, and establish Cambodia's standing and advanced technology on a global.
Yes, thank you, Mr. Peck. So moving on to our last question. From your perspective, how AI revolution will reshape the world or changing the world?
Thank you for the question. From my perspective, innovation is the field of artificial intelligence continue to shape the future of human across nearly every industry. And AI is already the main driver of emerging technology like big data, robots, and Internet of Things. And generative AI has further expanded the possibility and popularities of AI. According to 2023 IBM survey, 22% of enterprise-scale businesses integrate AI into the operation, and 40% are consider AI for their organization. In addition, 30 38% of the organizations have implemented generative AI into their workflow, while 42% are consider doing so. Furthermore, AI will impact the improvements of business automation. About 55% of the organization have adopted AI to a varying degree, suggesting increased automation from many business in the near future. With the rise of chatbots and digital assistant, company can rely on AI to handle simple conversation with customers and answer basic queries from employees. And AI ability to analyze massive amount of data and convert it finding into a convenient virtual platform can also accelerate the decision-making process. And company leaders do not have to spend time passing through the data by themselves instead of using instant insights to make informed decision. Then AI also impact to job disruption. Business automation have naturally led to fear over job loss. In fact, employees believe almost 1/3 of their tasks could be performed by AI. Although AI has made gains in the workplace, it has an equal impact on different industry and profession. For example, a manual job like a secretary are at risk of being automatic, but the demand for other jobs like machine learning specialists and information security analysts have arisen. Workers in more skills and creative position are more likely to have their job augmented by AI rather than be replaced. Whenever forcing employees to learn a new tool or taking over their role, AI is said to spur upskilling efforts at both the individual and company level. And in the future, AI will perform many tasks currently done by humans. It already chipping away from certain type of work. And the artificial intelligence has the power to change the business world. However, it is important to understand that AI needs to work with humans to improve business efficiencies and productivity. The prospects for the future of AI are infinite, but individual and business must understand the pros and cons of AI before implement the technology in order to improve their productivity.
Thank you, Mr. Pitt, for sharing your insightful perspective toward the current AI technology. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, our discussion has now come to an end. I would like to thank Mr. Pitt once again for your presence and for your time for joining our program today. Thank you for watching and see you in the next episode.